Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to show you how to make your page normal width on WordPress blocksy. Okay, so as you can see, we have our home page here, and we're going to have our about page and everything like that. And you'll see that all of our content hits the edges, and our header here, our logo, and our shopping cart clip past our screen. So we don't want to make it too narrow either, but we want to fix it so that it is normal width. Let's go ahead and click on Customize and open up the WordPress Customizer. And let's go ahead and first scroll down to Pages and click on that. And make sure that under Page Structure, we have 4 different options. We have Narrow Width, we have Normal Width, we have Left Sidebar and Right Sidebar. Make sure that Normal Width is selected. And, well, we can take a look between the difference between the two, and there isn't much of a difference. And you can see that it's super wide here. Now, with normal width selected, let's go back. Let's click on General, and let's click on Layout. And we now can see where the problem is. Our maximum site width is maxed out. Let's put it somewhere in the middle. And this as well. And you can see everything has squished. Now let's reload it, and it looks about fine. Now these are just arbitrary numbers, and we might need to mess with these. You can see the changes don't take effect immediately, and we can also adjust it to be like that. And these ones don't really do much on this page because we don't have a wide alignment on any of these elements. Neither do we have narrow containers because we have normal width selected. So let's hit publish. And again, you can configure this on mobile if you wanted to, right? Depending on how responsive you want it to be. All right, I'll publish that as well. But right now we're focusing only on the desktop version. Let's take one last look at our page, reload our site. And you can see that the spacing is not as wide anymore. It's a bit more normal spacing than before. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.